Fox Yankee Bravo, ready to copy clearance.
Roger, Fox Yankee Bravo, Rospo 6 Whiskey departure, level 110_7731. This is correct, Fox Yankee Bravo, on the 25 left you are cleared for takeoff, surface wind 210 degrees, 100 knots, maximum 25.
Approach, good afternoon, Foxtrot Hotel Alpha Sierra Papa, label for Victoria departure. Climbing flight level 060.
Fox Sierra Papa, bonjour, radar identified, direct Bodil, climb flight level 60, report steady.
Sierra Victor, runway 30 clear for takeoff. The wind is 310 at 8 knots. Right turn out.
Jersey, good afternoon, Foxtrot Hotel Charlie Sierra Victor, course ORTAC, flight level 90.
Turn right now, route direct to Golf Whiskey Charlie, Goodwood VOR. Foxtrot Sierra Victor, report you're heading to London on 120.180, goodbye.
180, Foxtrot Sierra Victor, have a good evening, sir, goodbye.
Bye. Louisiana Juliet Romeo, route now direct to Mayfield, no speed.
Redno 7057, no navigation to Adkick.
Direct Adkick, Redno 7057.
Ryanair 17 Lima Hotel, contact London 133.180, bye-bye. 133.180, 17 Lima Hotel, bye-bye.
Altitude.
Foxtrot Sierra Papa on final approach track.
Foxtrot Sierra Papa, Roger, contact Albany Tower 125.355.
Foxtrot Hotel Alpha Sierra Papa Albany Tower, good morning. Runway 26 cleared to land, surface wind 30011 knots.
Messieurs, en vue de notre proche atterrissage, le commandant de bord vous demande d'alléger votre ceinture. Veuillez s'il vous plaît lever le cache-hublot, ranger la tablette de votre siège et relevez votre dossier.
Foxtrot Sierra Victor, report you're heading to census 128.025.
For my heading to 128.025, Foxtrot Sierra Victor, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Foxtrot Hotel Charlie Sierra Victor, Thames Director, radar vectors for an ILS approach runway 21 at Biggin Hill. Information is Echo, QNH 1008.
Again, Tower, good evening, Foxtrot Hotel Charlie Sierra Victor, the ILS, runway 21 approach, information Echo.
Foxtrot Sierra Victor, runway 21, clear to land, 20023, gusting 38.
Clear to land, runway 21, Foxtrot Sierra Victor.